Hey everybody, welcome back. You're looking great. What have you been doing? Keep it up. Fabulous. Today, we're going to do another Namokimods mod. I really like this. So, I'm not even going to have to say nothing. You guys are going to see where we're going real quick, like you see it. Yeah. Only thing is it's got an OEM dial that we're working with. Not an OEM two-door dial, but an OEM Seiko dial. The heck is it? It's an SBDX012. And here is our case. Namokimods case. 939PL. NMK 939PL. You can use my code. I'll leave it down below for you. Get yourself a couple percentages off. The least we can do for you. Excuse me. All right. Well, I have. There's our dial. Beautiful. Beautiful. I've already put our dial on and I spun us around so that we can waste no time and jump straight in today. So let's do that. I'm going to clear us a path. Alright, let's get after it. Yeah, let's see how he likes the view this time. Pretty much exactly where I want it. Let's have a closer look. As usual. I'm a little crooked to the right. Other than that, we're looking fabulous. Let's carry on. Minitansky. Like such. And then you check. Make sure you're all level like. Oh, that looks good. I like what I'm seeing. Can you see what I'm seeing? See that? Nice spacing. And spacing is on point. Now, this one, and we will pause to get things cleaned up, I guess, because, you know, that's how it goes. Whoops. Alright. it is. There it is. There it is. Once again, we check our spacing before we go any further. I think we're looking not too shabby. Good on the back side. Oh, beautiful on the front side. Excellent. Well, there it is. Hands is done. Well, let's get this cased up. Actually, let's give it a spin first. See where we're turning over. I think we should be good. But hey. Looking good. Looking good. Looking good. Okay, well, just gave it all a clean. Now let's get this cased up. And get a stem sized. Alright. Quick clean. Back that stem out. I already cleaned the inside of the case as well. So I hope we're good there. We'll see. If I'm going to find something, it'll either be right away or it'll be after it's all closed up. You know how that goes. It's that whole Murphy's Law thing. Tell you, one of these days I'm going to catch Murphy. I'm going to kick him square in the ass. But until then. Alright, I'm just going to give it a little bit of a push. I don't know why I'm kind of pussyfooting around here. There. See? Looking wunderbar. Excellent. Okay, time to size a stem for us. Excuse me. Well, as per usual, let's do, how about there? How about there? Not sure with this stem and crown, or yeah, with this crown setup. So in this case setup, so we shall err on the side of caution. All right. I think we've got lots of extra. Well, right again, who knows? We shall find out in a moment. Ooh. Not as much as I thought. Not at all as much as I thought. That's just a nibble, actually. See? I went way over what I expected. I'm glad I did. Definitely glad I did. Well, let's get this out of here. Take a nibble off. and put it back. Those are hard to get to a little bit. That's okay, we can do it. We can do it even if we do it like that. No, it works better like this. Perfect. Alright, gasket's on the crown stem lubed, and it's going to be the perfect size. Perfect size. Wunderbar. Get that clean. And, oh yeah. Oh, here it is, right in front of me. How often do you do that? Literally looking for something to the point where you almost pick up and move the thing you're looking for, trying to find the thing you're looking for. Excuse me. Oh, get on there. There. Put that there for the moment. So I want to get this finished. Let's get this bezel insert on here. All these parts are from Namokimods, minus the dial. That's not Namokimods. There we go. Looking absolutely wunderbar. Alright. I just want to do a quick cleanup, and then we'll do a bracelet. Cleaning up is done. Let's braceletify this shiny guy. That was so unintentional. It was disgusting. Whoops. Stupid camera. Perfect. Perfect. All right. Well, how do you guys like them apples? Yeah. Spank you very much. That's nice. Well, just one of these today. Wanted to do a quick one for you. Figured you guys might like that. I know I do. OEM dial, And the rest of everything else is Namoki. Because Namoki parts are awesome. Everything fits the way it should. So anyhow, cheers you guys. Love you. Hope you enjoyed this one. It was quick. It was easy. The case came with the crystal pressed and chapter ring in, so didn't have to do that today. This was pretty quick and easy. You guys want to do a good build doesn't put you under a ton of pressure? Do one like this. They're great. Anyhow, love you guys. Thanks for joining me. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget, ooh, I also got some dad swag. Look down below. You can get t-shirts and coffee cups and stuff. And you can also become a member. You can join and be part of my one of my channel members. That would be awesome. That's the kind of thing that's going to kind of help this channel keep going. So ahead of time, thanks. Love all of yous. Cheers, you guys. Be good to everyone. Be good to yourselves.